In this video, we'll learn how to install Quick Buy Now extension. So let's begin. Once you have purchased this extension, you will be redirected to this download page. Here, you can download the extension according to your Opencart version. All the versions are mentioned over here. So as I'm using Opencart 3.0.2.0, I'll download that. So let's click on download button. And as you can see, the extension has downloaded. Now let's go to our Opencart admin. Log in. Now click on extensions and installer. So if you don't know, installer is used to install extensions. Now click on upload, select the downloaded extension, and this will install the extension on your Opencart. And as you can see, you have successfully installed the Buy Now extension. Now go to modifications, just click on refresh. That's a general process. Now go to extensions, click on modules, and as you can see, the installed extension is showing over here. Now click on install, click on edit, and click on enable. Now you can save it. We have installed the extension and enabled it. Now let's go to the front end and see whether the Buy Now button is appearing on the product page or not. Let's go to any random product. And as you can see, the Buy Now button is over here. And if you click this Buy Now button, you will be redirected to checkout page without going through the cart. So let's do that. Click on Buy Now. And as you can see, you are redirected to checkout page. So the extension has successfully installed and it's working pretty fine. In the next lecture, we'll discuss how to manage the text of the extension and the color of the extension. So for this video, thank you very much. And if you still have any query, please do feel free to raise a ticket.